Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to new video, Bitcoin video, green video, very nice video, very excited about this video. I want to make this video for a long time and now I finally can make a video for you guys. So it's early in the morning. Well, it's not that early for some people. For some people it is, for some people it isn't. But the green candle of hope. That's what we have on the screen right over here. This is the green candle of hope. This is the candle that's gonna tell us that everything is gonna be okay. We are done dumping, and I'm gonna show you all the signs of why we are done dumping and stuff like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you why we are actually at the bottom, or why I think we are at the bottom. Why this is gonna be very good week for a lot of altcoins and stuff like that. Anyways, we're not chit chat. Let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening. Wow, this candle over here is very nice, very nice. So yesterday just before the candle daily candle close, we were having a live stream. We were watching this dump over here. We were watching the dump, and our target was around 46,500 if I recall correctly. Somewhere around here, and you can see the target never got actually hit. But I'm always saying, once you have these targets, especially pattern targets, the ballpark area is a little bit before or a little bit after. All depends where the wick will hit. So this actually hit our target with 46,500. This was the first target, but we didn't actually know when the bottom is gonna hit. It's gonna be 46,500 or 45,000 or 43,000 or something like that. Also, I have been talking about on Telegram and with the group, and saying that usually when a lot of people are looking at the same target, like 43 to 45,000, I mean everybody was looking at that target, usually those targets don't get actually hit. It hits before that and then just reverses and goes the other way, and then all of these people that are waiting for the target that never got hit now have to FOMO back in. So that's what's happening right now. People that are left behind because they are waiting for 43 to 45 are slowly going in. Some are still like sitting back and thinking like, nah, it's still gonna go down, still gonna go down. And right now it's at 52,000. Tomorrow is gonna maybe beat 55, then 60, and then they're gonna FOMO in back, right? So that's how this usually things work. So now I'm gonna explain to you why we are actually at the bottom. So basically the best clue we can get that we are actually at the bottom is this bottom over here, this right over here. It's so beautiful. This doesn't happen very often, and when this happens, this is the maximum opportunity for going up. And I'm going to show you that this doesn't happen often. This is a very rare thing that happens in bull markets, and when this happens, this is super bullish. So basically here, down here, we are sitting on some kind of 30 levels on this RSI, a rubber band index, hitting this down on the daily chart. This doesn't happen often. You can see here, let's remove this one just for a second, and do it like this, so you can see that. So down here, right now that we are hitting, this doesn't happen often. You can see here, even before, over here at the start of bull run, we were hitting only 33. Right now we are at 30, level 30. Before that, you have to go to the corona dump to get to those kind of levels. You can see the corona dump was actually very nice. Once you got all the way down here at 14 or something like that, that was insane buying opportunity and started going up. Same goes here around these two bottoms over here. This was also bottom of this correction phase, and this was I always been saying, if you've been following me for a while, that this was actually start of the bull run, and this corona dump came kind of messed things up. This was actually start of corona dump was never meant to happen. That was a black swan event. So this one was actually a bull run, because you can see here these bottoms down here, very nice, especially these, and this one over here as well was indicating that we are also in the 2018 when we had this big dump over here. We went to 30 targets, but this is past. This is a bear market, right? And right now we are in bull market. In bull market, and we are hitting these kind of levels. That's very bullish. So look now what I'm going to show you now. Let me just change the chart a little bit. This is the same Bitcoin chart and RSI. So RSI is still sitting here at down 30, but we're gonna look at between the top of the bull market, this line over here, and the start of the bull market in 2017. That's around somewhere around there. Let's put like this so you can see this. And you can see here, down here, that we have certain hits. We have a hit on 30 here, 1, 2, 3. This didn't hit. This hit only 30. This hit 33. Then you have this 32, sorry, 30. So you can also say these two bottoms down here, but because they are very low. But let's look at these ones. So if you look here on the chart, you can see that this over here, this top over here was actually some kind of bottom. This one down here was bottom, and we start moving up from there. This over here also was the bottom, and we start moving up from there. These two was also the bottom. You can see the bottom start moving up. And these two was last ones were also the bottom. See here, corresponding to this one and this one over here, right? And going up and up. So you see this this RSI hitting the 30 mark is actually super bullish, extreme. That's why you're seeing these green candles today. That's why you're seeing 7%, 7.2% of BTC today, because we hit those targets. We hit them just before when we are expecting to be hit. If you have been watching live stream yesterday, you would have already known this, that we are actually, this is what we are expecting. This is what we are waiting for. Now I'm going to show you another indicator that's actually saying that we are super bullish. And people have been actually fearful of this. So basically, people have been looking at a weekly chart and looking at this cross, right? This is the bearish cross. This is when blue line crosses this single line bearish cross. So a lot of people are still bearish and thinking, oh, we're going to go down and stuff like that. This is maximum. This is the cross of maximum opportunity. Now let's see what's actually happening. Here in the bull market. Okay, here in the bull market. Let's see what's actually happening. Let's clear this up again. Just put up new line just for a second from here to here, and see what's actually happening here on the MACD. Now you cannot see, so we're gonna do it like this, and we're gonna expand it. Wait, we gotta pop it up. We just gotta change the scale a little bit so you can see this better. Okay. So all-time high was over here, so we're gonna say after we pass the all-time high here, and the last part over here, how it works out when it started pumping. So basically here you can say that we go up, down, little down, and we hit these lows down here. These lows are actually maximum opportunity. See here, this is the maximum opportunity, and here as well low. But this one over here, it's where I consider us to be right now on the chart, because you can see here, even here we got that bearish cross, but we never actually got very bearish. It was just maximum opportunity for us to go higher up. You get this one small little red thing, horizontal dot candle, almost a cross like thing, and then you go up, because this candle right now, this candle that's happening right now, that's in red over here, it's gonna turn around during the week, because we still got like 7 days left. It's gonna turn around, and this is gonna be green. It's just gonna be like last time, the way I see it, and this is gonna be the opportunity, maximum opportunity to go up from right now. So right now we are sitting at some levels that are like the best you have ever had in the entire bull market, and I think that right now this is the best time for Bitcoin to continue going up. And if I'm wrong on this, I'm gonna stop doing YouTube. I'm gonna sell everything. I'm gonna go to a remote island, and I'm gonna think about my life choices. So if I'm wrong about this, I might be wrong. So that's what I might do. But right now it looks just so nice. It's like everything is falling in place. This is exactly what we were waiting for with the entire dump. So the dump was correcting for 2 weeks, even here 2 weeks, but this was a lot bigger dump. It was correcting for 2 weeks. On the daily chart, you can see here that we are below the 100 moving average, but we just got back right up back above it. So it doesn't actually it's not an actually bad sign. Also on the daily chart, you can see that the MACD is already converging on itself. That's also very bullish. So there is all kinds of a bullish sentiment right now in the market, because all of these indicators are actually at very low levels and are starting to turn. So this is actually a very good thing for alts, and we are doing a lot of alts on this channel. So you're gonna see once we start doing the altcoin videos later today, everything looks so perfect. Even VeChain, I was telling you about, guys, about VeChain. VeChain have to have some kind of a big dump just to go through 1 week of correction, and I think VeChain is already done correcting after just 1 week because of the Bitcoin dump. If there was no Bitcoin dump, VeChain would maybe go to 2, 3, 4 weeks of correcting phase, consolidating phase, but right now after 1 week it's already done because of this dump, and this dump is helping a lot of altcoins also reset the technicals so we can move up. Either way, this looks super bullish to me. And let's see some clear indicators that we are actually breaking. So there was this line that we actually had to break. Wait, this over here, put it there. This is line, and you can see here clearly that we are actually this is the first step of breaking. And this, let's go to the daily chart and see what's looking at the daily. Daily is breaking. We are hitting the 10 moving average, so we gotta cross all the way up here at 56,000 to be super bullish. But right now we are done with the dumping, because you can see on the 4-hourly chart clearly that we are finished, because this was a downtrend, this was a downtrend, and now we are, and this was the resistance on the downtrend, and now we are finished with the downtrend. We closed above this line. Now we are either going sideways and slowly up. So the downtrend is done. So everybody is still waiting for more down movement. It can come. We can still go here back, like retest line, and continue going up. But this down movement, that's done. That's finished. That's finished. And I'm telling you, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna go to Ireland and think about my life choices. So that's gonna be a thing. That's a subscribe to the channel, because every single day right now we are doing Bitcoin. If you wanna know what's happening with Bitcoin, you gotta be subscribed. Also, you gotta be on Telegram group, because these Bitcoin videos goes without notification. Only special people get notified on the Telegram. That said, I hope you do subscribe, and check out the links below for Patreon and everything else. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you around.